Hello, welcome you again in Reality Tutor channel. Today we are going to study about class 7 mathematics, that is chapter 11.3 continuation. Last week we have finished up to question number 10 from 11.3. Today we are going to start again from 11.3, question number 11. Let's see what is there in question number 11. Okay, question 11 is like this. There is a square sheet from which a circular sheet is removed. So we have to find out the area of square sheet first, then after which we are going to see area of remove circular sheet again. Okay, area of square sheet equal to side into side. That is, area of square sheet is 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. That is 36 centimeter square. Then an area of remove circular sheet is circular sheet means pi r square. Then we have to take pi as 3.14 into radius is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter. If you multiply all this, 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3.14 is 12.56 centimeter square. So this area is removed from a circular sheet from here. Remove means subtract. Remove, cut off, remove and minus are the same. So we have to find out the area of remaining sheet by subtracting this from this one. Okay, subtracting the area of remove circular sheet from area of square sheet means 36 minus 12.56 centimeter square, that is 23.44 centimeter square. Let this one question 11 akan square peg kha omtani chu aside tinta 6 centimeter ania chuan chuta tang chuan circle ang deuh kha radius 2 centimeter kha che tha ka pai dai ania chuan ala chuang zong kha mu chuak ro tia chutin chuan area of square sheet ka kan mu chuak ang side into side mo chu 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter tin a local thayanga chu paruk mun ruk samthum paruk ani mai ta a ti chuan area of remove circular sheet kan tia kan pai china kha kan en leang pi r square mangin kan enanga pi kha 3.14 lakh tur ani chuan radius square ani wangin radius square ni wangin 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter ani anga ipuntir vek chuan pani mun ni pali le 3.14 hi ipuntir chuan 12.56 alo chokanga chuan hemi area hi pai dai ani chuan minus ani mai tru chuan 36 ateng hei kan minus anga ala chuang bang zong khalo chok mai don ani area of remaining sheet chu 36 minus 12.56 centimeter square tinania chu 23.44 centimeter square alone tani. Now we are going to question number 12. What is there in question number 12? Let's see. In question number 12, we have the circumference of a circle is 31.4. Find its radius and also the area of that circle. So we have the circumference of a circle. From there, we have to find out the radius. Radius is not given, but circumference is given here. Then circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r equal to 31.4. Means 2. Instead of pi, we have to put 3.14 into r equal to 31.4. Okay. Then r equal to then 2 and 3.14 will come here this side and go as the denominator. Okay, r equal to 31.4 is already there. Then under it as a denominator 2 and 3.14 we have put it here. Okay, then we'll remove the decimal point everywhere here, both numerator and denominator, equal to 314. Here also 314. Since 3 point here there is 2 decimals after the decimal point, 2 digits after the decimal point. So to remove that, we have to put 100 at the numerator. Here at the numerator here, there is only one digit after decimal point. That means to remove the decimal point, we have to put only 10 here as the denominator. So let's see, 314 and 314 we have to cut down. 0 and 0 will cut here. Then with 2, the remaining 10 will become 5. Okay, so radius is 5 centimeter. So from there we have to see and find out the area of a circle. That is equal to pi r square. We have already know that radius is 5 centimeter. So instead of pi, we can use 3.14 into, instead of radius square, 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. If you multiply 5 5s are 25. 25 into 3.14 is 78.5. Okay, then that is the area of a circle. Okay, let's circumference current PA. Circumference around PA, circumference 31.4 ani a. The chuan chu ta tang chuan a radius zong chuak la a area zong chuak bokro. Aron ti heu mai. O radius kan zong chuak tur chun ta ni. Chuan chu formula me khania pi I 3.14 kan ta a into radius alania equal to hey 31.4 hi hetlai mi kan la ngala. Radius kan lak don chuan 2 le 3.14 hi le lama kan la phenga anwaya kalang semna mo helai multiply kha pulti na kha semna le lama chung kalanga anwaya rong kal don ti na ne 31.4 hilo omsa a anwaya 2 into 3.14 rong kalanga ti chuan decimal point ho kan ti bo de yang o samjong kan ti nga anwai point ti bo ne chunga kan da nga ya achung point ti bo na anwaya kan da nga ya omse chu kan ti bo ta che tro hai point kan ti bo ta che a achung ai nga tinge 100 om kan ti chuan hei anwaya hian en ula point nung lama digit ni oma chu wang chuan 100 angai hei 0 pani omna 100 mo 100 omanga ya ani le noi hian nga te khoya ten nge te lo veri ngo thi kan ti chuan hei achunga hian decimal point nunga digit khat chi om ve thunga tro hemi point ti bona hian ten angai ve thunga chuan zathum sopali le zathum sopali hi kan pai dayang so min hei mun som tro chuan ten omanga 2 in helai ten kha mun nga ni le chianga 5 cm lo ni chiang chu radius chu lo ni ta ni ti chuan area of a circle kan zung suk dona pi r square kan mang dona pi I 3.14 man tur kan ti ha chu tin chuan 5 into 5 khal oma chuan kan puntir vek chu 78.5 cm square lo chuk don ta ni kha 12 na ron soi tum ber chun ta ni question number 13 ole question number 13 a hian pangpar huan a bial a omani pangpar huan bial a oma a diameter chu 66 meter ani startang chuan a diameter chu 66 ani chuan 66 diameter ani chuan a chan ve che 33 hi radius an don tin ani ti chuan kha pangpar huan bial po na khan meter lia zawin konga kalati chutin ni chuan meter lia konga akal zau chuan kong po kha khami pangpar huan nei turam vek khani da chuan a radius chu 33 plus 4 meter chu 37 meter aluni don ta ni chu mo chutin ni chuan area of flower bed without path kan zong ni kong tel lo khan enge a area kan zong photang kong tel login pi r square kan manganga pi I 3.14 kan manganga chuan a radius kha 33 hi kan mang photang chuan square ni vain pani kan data o chuan kan puntir veka 3419.46 meter square lo chok ta ni ti chuan kong tel khan he kong tel lo khan e kong tel lo chuan kong telin area of flower bed with paths kan tia pi r square tho kan manga kong tel chuan a radius kha 37 meter lon don thungta 3.14 into 37 into 37 meter lon ta tro chu kan puntir vek chuan 4298.66 meter lon yanga meter square mo chuan kong chau kha area kan zon don chuan heta tang hian hei kan han pai keu mai don ani area of path equal to hei kan minus a hi 479.20 meter square lo chok ta hi answer chulun ta ni ole. Then we go to question number 13. We have a circular flower bed whose diameter is 66. Since the diameter is 66, just half of the diameter is radius. 66 by 2 is 33 meter. 33 meter is the radius. Then outside that flower bed, a path of width 4 meter is going around it. Then 33 meter plus 33 plus 4 meter is 37 meter. Then 3.14 instead of area of floor bed without pads pi r square we are going to see. Instead of pi we have to put 3.14 into 33 into 33. This radius we are going to take it, okay, this as radius, okay. Then if you multiply all together, you will find out 3419.46 meters square. Then we have to find out the area of floor bed with pads. That is, the pad is going around that circular bed. That is 4 meter wide. With that pad, that we have radius 37 meter. We are going to use this as a radius. Area of floor bed with pads is pi r square. 3.14 into 37 meter into 37 meter. That is 4,298.66 meter if you multiply all together. Okay. In order to find out the area of the pads only, you have to minus this area of floor bed with pads from area of floor bed with pads. Okay, without pads from with pads. Okay, that is 4,298.66 minus 3,419.46 meters square. That is 479.20 meters square. Let's go to question number 14. Question number 14 is like this. Area of circular garden is 314 meters square. Then right at the center there is a water sprinkler. That water sprinkler you may have seen in if you watch the football during the halftime or something like that. Right from the center a water is springing over the whole stadium like that. In a circular garden area 314 meters square, there is a sprinkler right at the center which can spring up to the radius 12 meter. We are going to see whether that sprinkler can cover the whole garden or not. Then instead of pi we can use 3.14 into radius is 12 meter, then radius square is 12 meter into 12 meter. So therefore, if you multiply all together, you will have 452.16 meters square. That is the area covered by the sprinkler. Since the area covered by the sprinkler is much greater than the area of the circular garden, that means the sprinkler can cover the entire garden. So as the answer we can have sprinkler can water the entire garden. Huan bial kan tiang kha circular garden kha oma area kha 314 meters square ani alai ta ka khan water sprinkler omani water sprinkler chu kan hriat thiam dan dur chuan football entrance stadium lai ta ka heti tui stadium tui phu tuang khamo tui ron phu chok tuang kha khateng khan ta chon water sprinkler kha a virtual thin ta ni chu kha virtual khan radius 12 meter a zawa cover thene khatianga zawa cover kha huan pumpui kha tuya pe chuak them ti kan endon ani chu chutin chon area covered by sprinkler kan tenga pi r square kan manga pi aya 3.14 kan manga radius aya 12 meter kan mang ve venga kan puntir vek chon 452.16 meter square lo niang chuti chuan water sprinkler ina a tuya phu thai chin zaw zong kha huan area aya zaw dei zo ka wangin sprinkler khan huan pum pui kha tuya pe thei ti na ni chu. Okay, let's go to question number 15. Question number 15 is like this. There is a circle, two circles in the figure. The outer circle radius is 19 meters. There is a, look at your textbook, there is a diagram there. Okay, the outer circle is radius is 19 meters. We have seen that. To find out the circumference 2 pi r, we have to use 3.14 as pi, 2 into 3.14 into 19 meters. If you multiply all this together, you will find out 119.32 meters. There, in the same figure only, there is inner circle whose radius we have to find out. That is 19 meters minus 10 meters. That is 9 meters. Just to find out the circumference of that inner circle, we have to use 2 pi r as a formula again. Then 2 into 3.14 into 9 meters. So if you multiply all together, you will find out 56.52 meters. That is what we have studied here in question number 15. Then question number 16, we are going to see. In that question number 16, there is a wheel, motor wheel maybe, whose radius is 28 centimeters. In order to cover 352 meters, how many rotation does wheel need? Okay, does that wheel need? The wheel is rotating, going and again rotating, and it covers 352, but we don't know how many rotations it revolves around. Then, in order to find out the distance covered in one rotation, we have to find out circumference. The circumference means one rotation, okay? Circumference equal to 2 pi r, that means 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. Just cut 7 with 28, you will have 4 here. 7 4s are 28, okay? If you multiply 4 and 22, you will have 88. 88 into 2, 176. In order to make this 176 centimeter in meter, you have to divide 176 meter by 100. That means 1.76 meter. Then, number of rotation to cover 352 meter, we have to divide 352 by 1.76. Just remove the decimal point and add here 100 at the numerator. 352 into 100 by 176. With 176, this 352 is 2 times. Then 2 into 100 is 200. So after the 200 rotation, then that wheel will cover 352 meter. Okay. Ti chuan question number som parukna chuan tian ro soi motor ke pakhat kha radius kha 28 cm ania. Meter zathum somnga pani atlan chi khanin ake kha voi exam nge virtual. Ake voi khat vir hi circumference anti. Voi khata vir khan circumference voi khat kan hu chok chia. So tinson circumference 2 pi r ani si a. Radius hi 28 ani a, pi hi 22 by 7 ani a, 2 omboka kan hu chok thai 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. Pasarin ni riat hi mun li ro u. Pali mun som ni pani somret pariat mun ni za som sari paruk si mani a. Chuan za som sari paruk centimeter chu meter kan cha tiranga ya. Meter kan chan tir 176 ka 100 kan divide a. 1.76 meter alone ita a. Ti chuan motor khan meter zathum som nga pani lai atla na ngai si a. Voi ang zat nge vir kwa lang ti kha ngai tu tham atling ta ni chu. Voi sang nge vir kwa lang. A vir kwa za tur kan shred du chuan zathum som nga pani 1.76 khan sem mai tur ni zathum som nga pani by 1.76 meter. Ti chuan 1.76 point kan ti bo nga achunga za kan bel le ke ong ni china kan ti ang khan mo. Chuan za som sari parukhen zathum som nga pani hi amun ni chiani a pani mun za chu zani ni mai chuan motor kha ke kha voi zani che che a vir kwalin meter zathum somnga pani che che kal don ti na alo ni ta ni. Question number 17 and the last one is this. Length of minute hand. Yes, if you look at a clock or your wristwatch just now, you will see that the minute hand is the radius. Okay, minute hand is the radius, that is 15 centimeter. Then in 1 hour, the minute hand just covered around from 12, it will cover around the clock and return back to 12 again, no? Just like that. If it covers 1 round, that means the circumference. Okay, minute hand is radius 15 centimeter, then distance covered in 1 hour is a circumference. Okay, then circumference means 2 pi r, that means 2 into 3.14 into 15. Then if you multiply all together, you will find out 94.20 centimeter. So after 1 hour, that minute hand can cover 94.20 centimeter altogether. Avan ho vetro u sana in bun lai mo in banga in tar khan en lok te ule. Minute hand ganti a minute kok tu kha a sei le mai kha kha a kwal in a virtual thinan tru kha kha radius ani minute hand kha radius ani a zo nai na ron so yang kha radius kha 15 centimeter ani ron titlat. Ti chuan minute hand kha sana khan te voi khata virtual dar kar kha chung khan voi khata virtual ni sana khatru u so pani tang che khan tran che ula ten dar kar khata liam che che chuan so pani bok khan ron le don voi khata virtual so don voi khat virtual chuak ti omje chu circumference ti na ni le ta ni area perimeter a chuan mo then circumference somje chu engen ta circumference 2 pi r ani se tro u 2 3.14 hi pi khania 15 hi radius khani ta ni kan puntir vek chuan 94.20 centimeter alo chok don ta a ti chuan kha minute kok tu khan a in vai kwal meu kha chuan dar kar kha chunga in vai kwal meu kha chuan centimeter som kwa pali le point som ni alo kal kwal chok man don ti na ni chu kha 11.3 kan zir thei chu ni ro se kan lo me